Hey there, folks. Welcome to our special report, an exciting journey through digital evolution and the birth of the Metaverse. Let's kick off with a nostalgic trip to 1991. Picture the scene. The first ever website goes live. It's a simple affair, just text on a screen. No images, no videos, just plain, unformatted text. This might not sound impressive now, but back then, it was a technological marvel, a small step for a web page, but a giant leap for digital communication. Fast forward through the 90s and early 2000s, the internet is evolving. Remember the era of dial-up connections, where watching a single video meant waiting for long stretches as it buffered? Those were the early signs of an impending digital revolution. The advent of video streaming reshaped our media consumption, setting the stage for platforms like YouTube, Netflix, and others. This transformation wasn't just about entertainment. It changed how we accessed information, communicated, and even our daily habits. And now, as we speak, another seismic shift is underway: the Metaverse. Forget the dystopian narratives you might have heard. We're here to explore the reality of this digital frontier. We're at the dawn of this new era, and the opportunities for growth, innovation, and investment are boundless. Let's start with a concept that's a bit easier to grasp: the multiverse. Take the Ariana Grande concert in Fortnite as an example. It was a spectacle that merged the real and virtual worlds, creating an immersive experience for millions. But this isn't an isolated event. Travis Scott's astronomical event in the same game drew an audience of over 27 million. What we're seeing is a new form of digital expression and interaction. This fusion is evident beyond the realms of music and gaming. Consider how BMW unveiled their new car model inside Rocket League, or how Netflix and Riot Games are blurring the lines between streaming and gaming. This cross-pollination is disrupting traditional business models and consumer experiences, leading us into uncharted territories of digital interaction. Now let's dive into the core of our discussion: the Metaverse. To put it in perspective, let's compare it to the internet of the 90s. Back then, the internet was a nascent network of basic websites. Today, it's a dynamic universe of social media, e-commerce, streaming services, and much more. The Metaverse builds upon this foundation, propelled by cutting-edge technologies like Web 3.0, blockchain, and virtual reality. Web 3.0 represents the next phase of the internet's evolution. Unlike the current Web 2.0, dominated by corporate giants, Web 3.0 promises a more decentralized and democratic digital landscape. You're not just a user, you're an owner and contributor. This shift is enabled by blockchain technology, which allows for secure, transparent transactions and interactions. Now let's talk about NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. They might seem like a fad to some, but they represent a fundamental shift in digital ownership and value. Think of NFTs as the digital equivalent of collectibles. Just like a rare baseball card or a unique piece of art, NFTs derive their value from scarcity and community consensus. They are unique, verifiable assets on the blockchain, making them more than just digital art. They're a new form of property. Virtual reality is another pillar of the Metaverse. While VR is currently the most visually immersive aspect of the Metaverse, it's only a part of the bigger picture. Companies like Meta, formerly Facebook, are investing heavily in VR, envisioning a future where our virtual interactions are as meaningful as our real-life ones. But the Metaverse extends beyond any single company's vision. It's a collective, decentralized space that will be shaped by its users. So, how can you engage with and benefit from the Metaverse? The key is to be proactive and informed. You can start small, like buying digital real estate in virtual worlds or exploring NFT marketplaces. In the thrilling world of the Metaverse, the opportunities to make money are as limitless as your imagination. Think of the Metaverse as a digital goldmine ripe with potential for those ready to explore and innovate. One of the most straightforward ways to profit is through virtual real estate. Just like in the real world, location is key. Platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox offer digital land that you can buy, develop, and even rent out. Imagine creating a virtual venue for concerts or a digital art gallery where you charge admission or rent space to other creators. These aren't mere pixels on a screen, they're the foundations of new economies and communities in the virtual world. This isn't just speculative, major brands are investing in these spaces. But the potential doesn't stop there. The Metaverse is also a breeding ground for entrepreneurs and creators. If you're artistically inclined, designing digital fashion and accessories for avatars can be a lucrative venture. With big brands like Nike entering the fray, the market for virtual goods is booming. These digital items aren't just aesthetic, they're a form of identity and expression in the metaverse, much like clothing and accessories in the real world. Imagine owning, trading, or even designing digital sneakers. That's the kind of opportunity the metaverse offers. By tapping into this market, you can sell unique designs, collaborate with brands, or even start your own digital fashion label. The metaverse is more than just a space to explore. It's a canvas for innovation and a platform for financial growth. To deepen your understanding of these concepts, we recommend listening to thought leaders like Tim Ferriss, Naval Ravikant, and Chris Dixon. Their insights on podcasts and interviews can provide a wealth of knowledge about the metaverse and its potential impact on our lives. As we wrap up, remember that we're just scratching the surface of what the metaverse has to offer. It's a world of endless possibilities limited only by our imagination. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the digital future. If you're intrigued about making money in today's digital world and want to explore further, check out the link in the description and dive deeper into the world of financial freedom. Until next time, see you on the inside.